Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Haki in GPO. Haki is a crucial ability that significantly boosts your combat effectiveness. We'll cover both observation Haki, which enhances your senses, and armament Haki, which strengthens your attacks and defenses. Understanding how to acquire and upgrade these abilities is key to becoming a formidable player in the game. Let's dive into the details for each type. To acquire observation Haki, also known as Ken Haki, you first need to reach at least level 167. Once you meet this requirement, travel to the Land of Sky in the First Sea and locate the Rogson NPC. He will give you a quest that involves performing 200 perfect blocks. Successfully completing this task will grant you the ability to dodge attacks and even see enemies through walls, giving you a significant edge. For armament Haki, or Buso Haki, your character must be at least level 80. Head over to Kori Island and seek out the Ray NPC. He will offer you a quest to obtain this powerful ability. Be prepared to pay 25,000 Peli and defeat 100 Yetis. Once completed, armament Haki will significantly increase your melee damage output and block durability, making your physical attacks much more potent. Upgrading to Haki V2 for both types offers even greater power. For observation Haki V2, you'll need to be in the second sea, pay 50,000 Peli, and complete a challenging minigame. Armament Haki V2 requires obtaining a Book of Spirits, often dropped by Krakens, and then resonating it into spirit essence. These upgrades are well worth the effort for the enhanced abilities they provide. Also, for those looking to improve their real-world wealth, check the description for a fantastic book recommendation and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.